Hello and welcome to the channel. In this episode we are going to install and review a mini phone mount. Very easy to install, very cheap, made in China, link in the description. Let's see what's in the box. Actually bothered putting a little mini on there. Look like that other one there. There we go. So this one essentially have this part here. This essentially goes in here. Remove the tape first, then push it in, put it tight, job done. Then you go to the second part, push it come out, which basically is one of those. So what you do, you put this little guy on first, you put this guy on. You don't want to tighten it because basically the tightening is what makes it tight at the bottom. We pop it on, making sure this little guy here to catch your phone is at the bottom, and then you essentially just tighten it. And here we go, it's all installed. Anyway, I didn't put the tape, so let me tape it and then we'll put the phone in there and see how well it's holding on. We are on. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. So that's the mechanism. That's my phone. Got a crappy case, but it is actually quite thick. So it's on there. You can see it kind of come off, I think because it's the thickness. Let me remove the case and try again. Pixel 6, no case. So it is, you kind of want to be able to drop it. Again, it doesn't do it nicer, but yeah. If you drive nice and easy, it'll be fine, but it is quite bouncy, and then on the bounce, if the angle is wrong, it unhooks itself from the bottom and you essentially have your phone going to fly down there. So yeah, looks good, great idea. The mounting position is nice because it's nice and easy, and here it was kind of a hole anyway in the mini, which is kind of pointless, maybe a key or whatever, but yeah, not so great. Anyway, would I recommend it? I don't know, depends on your phone, depends on your driving, I guess depends on the road quality where you are as well. Personally, I wouldn't take it. Kind of like a bit of spirited driving. I had quite a struggle finding one that actually works well for that, unless it's a proper lock system, very magnetic and fidgety stuff like that. Your phone will end up falling off. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.